question that comes up about the 100-something piece set from the Molly for the organic and general chemistry is it large enough set to make a complex molecule? Yeah, we have a pretty complex molecule here that has a number of both double bonds and single bonds. Now, in full disclaimer here, we didn't have enough of the black, so I did need to paint a few, about 4 different colored molecules to be black, so that they'd actually be this particular molecule with the right color combo. But I was only about 4 shy of having a fairly complex molecule here. So with this giant molecule made and all the small bonds and things, we still have this many pieces left. So I could easily make 2 smaller, less elaborate, or even 3, maybe 4 smaller, less elaborate molecules, definitely more if we made tiny ones. So I think it's also, I wanted to illustrate the size. So this is fairly large. To give you a scale with the box there, this is over 15 inches spread out here. Again, a fairly elaborate one, but large enough for a visual aid in a classroom environment. And hands-on. I personally have a lot more ability to grasp chemistry when I'm looking at these and I can hold them, and then you can start to bend and fold and get into all the variables. Hope this helps.